Hello, my name is Eric, and today we're going to talk about deploying a Rust microservice using the Actix web app framework, where you query the information from a Polo database in Rust. And yeah, this is something really nice. This is going to be a quick, very short video. Essentially, we're querying data. We're putting video game data inside a Polo database, and it's a NoSQL database. So I wanted to work with a different type of option, and then we just query stuff from that vector database. And the game's data itself is coming from this Kaggle repository. So here, if we go down to the data cards, you can see like the game titles, and you can see the platforms and then the sales that the game had at that point in time. So this is like a list of best-selling video games. And then once having that data there, I thought, well, you can't really do anything with it. It's not like I could grab this link. Like I would have to go through the Kaggle API and a few other things. So I thought to make my life easier and to also like make use of the S3 buckets, I actually downloaded the CSV and put it in the S3 bucket. The cool part is that once you upload it, if you make it public using the ACL and you just hit make public, now that file is completely exposed. So look at what happens when I click it. Downloads. And I actually did the same with the database that was created, which actually, let me go into that quickly. I have two Rust projects. One of them was the one had one job. It was grab the CSV that I have here, which is the link that I just showed, that is exposed as downloaded with the request blocking module and the crate, and then parse out the CSV, get what you need, and then insert it one at a time to that Polo database, and then here's a specific line where that database is created. So that database, once you run it, is created. Actually, let me see if I can show the output quickly. Make database create. Yeah, this is a series of commands that I have there, and it's just building the project and then running it. So let me show you what comes out. So that's a test query that I have in there. Just creates a database. So that's the same one that I downloaded it and then uploaded it straight to S3 and made it public with the ACL, just like I showed you earlier. And then I have another project which is the actual web app. And all the web app is doing is it has a welcome message. It has the function for finding the game. So this is where it queries a game based on the name. And then here's the handler for it. It just parses it out and gets it ready to go to be able to print. And then the web app is exposed. And then the other stuff is more rudimentary, like taking care of the Docker image. I added it here I add the link that is exposed from S3, like the database link, and then it copies it straight into the root directory of that Docker image, which was just made everything so much easier. And once that was done, I just straight deployed it to ECR. So you see here, it has a bunch of push commands and all that stuff. Let me show it to you quickly. So yeah, I just created the Docker image, configured my credentials. That was actually one of the prerequisites actually if you want to do this, make sure, let me just jump here quickly. Make sure that you have Apprunner full access. If you're using AWS Lambda, make sure you have Lambda full access. Elastic Container Registry full access. Just those types of policies to get it to work. And then once it's all said and done, I was able to upload the image, and then Apprunner picks the image from here and then just deploys it out into the wild. So this is the link that is exposed. And there's my welcome message, as you can see right here. And then I do find game, Dragon Ball Xenoverse. And let's do one more. Super Mario Bros. Must have been a typo there. There we go. It's pretty case sensitive. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching. This has been querying the game data from the Rust Actix framework and then deploying that on App Runner. Thank you for watching.